All right, I want to do a what's in my makeup bag. I have two makeup bags, and I'm so funny because the first makeup bag, I bought these bags at Walmart. The first makeup bag that says makeup, I have regular products in, like for everyday face. Um, and then the second bag, I covered it because I didn't want to cover up that oil spot. I don't know how this spot got there, but it says fabulous, and this is for a more glammed up face with like bronzers and stuff like that. But I'll get to that in a moment. Um, yeah, so I have a makeup bag, like essentials, I guess, that I'm gonna go down the line with. And let me hurry up and get started. Right, and this one, I actually wrote a note. I'm gonna dump the bag and I'll go through it. These bags were from Walmart, and they came with like a foam insulation, but I didn't take it out because I wanted it for cushion, so that way my palettes don't break up. But it comes out. I don't know if it was meant to come out, but I decided I'm not gonna take mine out. You see how thick it is? It's nice. So yeah. All right. When I used to do my makeup, when I first started doing makeup, I used to do my makeup. I think I did foundation first, then I did eyebrows. But from watching YouTube videos and stuff like that, and learning from other makeup artists and makeup gurus and beauty enthusiasts, whatever you want to call them, um, I learned to do the eyebrows first. But either way, it depends on whatever you want to do. So I wrote a list, and the list goes in chronological order of how I do my makeup. I put it on a post-it. This says makeup bag. I put brow color, right? So I started off with a brow color. Let me see which one I was using. Oh, this is an eyebrow pencil by LA Colors. And it has a highlighter at the tip, which is good because it comes with a sharpener. These are always good to have in your makeup bag. If you use an eyebrow pencil that's like not retractable, it's always good to have one that has a sharpener at the end. Just, for travel purposes, a safe space. It's not like a bulky square sharpener, which is okay. But you understand, like, it's more narrow, and you can put this on other pencils. I actually love those. Next, I have concealer. I like to use the Pro Conceal to clean up my eyebrows. Or any concealer works, but this works good, and it has the brush tip at the end. So I have concealer. Foundation. I like to travel with powder foundation. This is one of the cheaper ones. They sell us in beauty supply stores. I think this is by Ruby Kisses. It's a matte finish powder foundation, which is good because matte is like good for all day if you don't have the time to really like be blotting and stuff like that. Let's see what else I put on the list. All right, so we have brow color, concealer, foundation. All right, contour. Oh, yes, I like this one too. This is another concealer, but this is actually a dark concealer because it's darker than my skin tone. Let me put it next to my hand. It's a little darker. You can't really see it in this lighting because my hand looks darker here, but I'm holding this camera. Anyway, this is my foundation, and this is the concealer. It's a little darker. You can see it. And so yeah, I use this as contour. And I also sometimes I use a contour stick. And that could go on a purse too. Let me see what else I'm using. Alright, eyeliner. Okay. I have an eyeliner. Mascara. I have a small travel size mascara, which is perfect for this bag because it saves space in your purse. So it's best to have travel size products because they're also space savers. Let's see what else. Lip balm or lip color. I picked out this cute coral lip color because, I don't know, it's getting warm, I guess. So it's playful. And I put in like an orange lipstick. And face wipes. Oh, one moment. Check that out. I put my face wipes in a Ziploc bag. Or in a clear plastic bag, whatever you're gonna call it. It might not be the Ziploc brand. But I put my face wipes in there to save space. I put like 2 or 3 face wipes in there to save space and to carry that around instead of putting a whole pack of face wipes in my purse, which is good. It saves space. Okay. Oh, then for the next makeup bag. Oh, that's basically it. Oh no, well I do have some more things. I'll show it. I have a blush. I have some eyeshadow. Another lip gloss, like a neutral brown lip gloss. I have a foundation colored concealer. This is actually concealer the color of my skin. So if I'm going for like a plain look, maybe if I don't do a full face, I could cover up dark spots or light spots or anything like that. This is actually the color of my skin, basically for the most part. So let me show you the difference again. Going in with the concealers. One I use for contour. So this one is the color of my skin. This one I use for contour. And I put them next to each other so you can see the difference. And this one I use for highlight. So you see the difference in the shades. Love it. And all of those contours are by LA Girl Pro Concealer. And it's funny, these are actually very popular. They don't cost a lot. They'd be about, like, say, $3 to $5. And they sell them in beauty supply stores. And I have a travel size perfume, which you can get travel size perfumes much smaller than this. This is actually one of those imitation ones, and it was only $1, so this is really good. But travel size perfumes are much smaller. Let me see if I have one. Let me see if I have one. Okay, I think I have my travel size perfume tucked away. But yeah. Oh, and I have this. This is actually a sample. Beauty samples are perfect for travel size and for putting in your purse. This is Dr. Jart Water Fuse, and this is an Ultimate Hydrogel Face Moisturizer. I love this. This actually works. So yeah, those are all of the products that's in my makeup bag, and that was makeup bag number 1. Let me slide these over and show you what's in makeup bag number 2. Makeup bag number 2 is more luxe, more glammed up, like, you know, for being more glam. I guess being, as what we say, we be being extra. Like we say, you be doing the absolute most. Being extra. All right. Wow. Some products. I try my best to be a minimalist, but that does not work for me. That does not. Yeah, that does not work for me. Anybody that knows me knows that. Oh my God, I try my best to be a minimalist. I'm working on that because it's good for spring cleaning. And so I'm working on minimalism and like bringing everything down, not carrying as much. And just it's a process. If you're not a minimalist, yeah, it's a serious process because for some people, not a lot of people, for some people, minimalism is a lifestyle. But it actually makes you feel easier, especially if you like to travel, if you like to do a lot of things, if you like to go out a lot. Minimalism is good. For people that's very neat, like neat freaks, minimalism is good. Even for people who are neat freaks, that's not minimalist, you know. But minimalism is basically it's basically a process. It's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle of like living with less, and I guess moving around more and doing more with your life, not being so weighed down. All right, so I'm gonna start off with this list. I have a list here too. I'm just trying to be more organized, so I'm gonna go down the line with that one. Again, I'm starting with the brow color. Let's see what brow color I have in here. Oh, yeah, I have this old pencil, which is probably not the best sanitary. I have this old pencil by Too Faced Cosmetics. I think this was from like when they first came out. Oh my God. No, I really carry it around because it has a spoolie at the tip. I don't know if they make them like that anymore. But anyway, one was a eyebrow pencil. I use something else now. And this is the spoolie. It's covered up. Anyways, so that's the eyebrow color. I have a concealer. So the eyebrow color I usually do first, and then I go around with the concealer to like clean up and shape it really nicely. And then I have a foundation. I like to carry these smaller foundations, not like a big tube, but like the small compacts. I don't think this one comes with a mirror, which is okay. This is from the like beauty supply stores. It's $4.99. The price is still on there. It's by Ruby Kisses. I think it's all I use it, like the back of the sponge really needs to be cleaned. I don't even like for my cosmetics to get dirty like that. Alright, concealer, foundation. Next is contour. Oh, did I put it away? I have a contour stick. Okay, so I don't have it on me right now, which is fine. Let's see what else I have. I also have this concealer. I don't even know why. I think this is more of my skin tone, and this one is lighter. Yeah, so that's what I'm working with right now. But just say that's the contour, I guess, for now. Eyeliner. Here's my eyeliner. Oh, I probably took my eyeliner out of my bag. Sometimes I get confused and I pick up the wrong bag, and then I wind up putting it where the rest of my makeup is in my room. Let me see. Alright, brow color, concealer, foundation, contour, eyeliner, mascara. Remember, this is the glam bag. Mascara. Oh, I took my mascaras out last night. Oh, snap. Alright, so I'm not even that organized. Say mascara. Alright, so we'll take it and put this one here. Mascara. Eyelash curler. Alright, I don't always carry an eyelash curler. I took the eyelash curler out the bag because, again, I'm working on minimalism, but you can carry an eyelash curler. Since this is the more glammed up bag, you can carry an eyelash curler. Here's eyelashes. I like these eyelashes by Ardell and Double, number 113. These are the big fanned out eyelashes. These are usually bigger than the ones that I wear on an everyday basis. These are the more glammed up ones, and this is like more of like a glam size. So I keep those in there, fresh, never used. That way, like if I do decide to travel somewhere and I want to get glammed up real quick, I have that on me. I also have an eyelash adhesive. What else? Oh, lip color. I have a red. I like to wear reds. I have a beautiful glistening bronze, which is like, the bronze is actually for more like neutral looks, but neutral glam. So that's what that is. I also have this lipstick by Wet n Wild in mink brown, and this actually comes out a little darker than my skin. Like it's funny. It's lighter than my skin, but it's a deeper and it's like a reddish brown tint. To me, this is like more for the summertime, and at the same time, it like works for the fall. But since the summer is coming up, I put it in my bag. I have a clear sparkly gold lip gloss. This is one by Iman. I don't even know if they sell them anymore, but I picked it up somewhere recently. It was at like a lotted out store. It's like a clear gold gel. I feel like this is like a makeup bag basic, I guess, to have, which is nice. Excuse my raspy voice. We probably have to get used to my raspy voice. Yeah, my voice is so raspy, sometimes I lose my voice, which is weird, but that's me. Anyways, so yeah, this is a glistening clear lip gloss, which is like, it's like a neutral basic, but it just amps up the basicness, I guess, as opposed to chapstick. I mean, not the chapstick brand, say lip balm. I don't want to say the chapstick brand because there's nothing wrong with the chapstick brand. All right, I have a brown lip liner, a nude lip liner. I have a red lip liner. And then I have red blush because I like to wear red blush with red lipstick. So I have a red blush, and this is the Black Radiance Baked Blush in Warm Berry. Red blush looks so good with red lipstick. But that's more for a glam look. I usually do like red lipstick looks with a neutral face. That's usually like my everyday look, to be honest. And I have this travel size brush. This is good for applying bronzers. It's good kind of for like blending too. But it's not firm. It's not firm. This brush was just $1, believe it or not. I love it. I can't wait to use it. But yeah, it's perfect travel size. It came with a mirror, but I put the mirror in another bag. Another travel size perfume. I carry contacts, contact lenses. Sometimes I like to change my eye color and have fun with that. I have one of those edge control baby edge things. But I don't know, for some reason, I just started wearing baby hairs out, even though I usually don't. But I just carry that. My sister gave me these samples, so I plan on using them. This is a deep conditioning hair treatment, maybe if I stay the night somewhere. So remember, samples samples make the best travel size. So I just kept them in my makeup bag just in case I'm at someone's house, because washing your hair, depending on the oil in your hair, is different for everyone. It's different for every hair texture. It should be washed often, at least once a week, or I feel once every 2 weeks. For some people, they might feel they have to wash it every day. Some people could wash it every 3 days. Like me, I usually do mine once a week, and sometimes I do I might just condition, like every 3 days, say every 3 days, or on a third day after I washed it, I might just condition it and then rinse the conditioner out. Yeah, I just like to keep my scalp clean and the hair shaft clean. And again, that's different for everybody because everybody's hair produces different oils. If you want to get on a scientific level, there's scientific proof in that. This is a travel size mirror. This is one of the best. You see how thin it is? A travel size mirror. It's always good to keep a travel size mirror in your purse. And definitely, if you don't have it in your purse, it's always good to keep it in your makeup bag. So that way you always have it in your purse. And I'll open it up. I wound up buying this from like a 99-cent store. I think it has one large side and then one smaller side. I'm not sure. But it's the perfect accessory to have in your bag. And I actually feel it's a must-have. So not only should you carry a mirror, but you should try to carry a very thin one if they have it. That way you're not all bulky and everything. You know, you don't want everything to be all bulky. And again, I have another pack of these makeup wipes inside a Ziploc bag, like I have in the other bag. And, you know, I put it in here just to keep them moist. And that keeps me from carrying the whole pack. The pack of makeup wipes I have are small. They can actually go in my purse, but it keeps me from having to carry the whole pack because, again, I'm working on minimalism. So I figured I'd take 3 out, or 2 or 3, and I put them in here. When I take my makeup off, to fully take my makeup off, I usually use like 2 makeup wipes. But I've started doing 1 makeup wipe and then like washing with a deep cleanser and stuff like that afterward. So if you're not if you're gonna be in a situation where you're not near a sink or you're not at someone's house or something like that, what you can do is you can take like 2 or 3 makeup wipes and put them in a bag, and that'll help you get your face back clean. Alright, so that's basically it. I'll name this one Makeup Bag Extra. So I have the makeup bag, and then I have the makeup bag extra. Oh, you know what's actually missing out of this makeup bag extra? A bronzer. I just packed my bronzers away. I made a mistake. I was doing my makeup last night, and I was wondering why I had so much bronzer on the table. I didn't realize one of them was supposed to go back in my makeup bag. So let me go get that. If you're like me, you probably have 1 or 2 bronzers. I mean, you probably have a bunch of bronzers. So, I mean, I have 2 different palettes I can use. And I prefer to use this one. I guess use the Lumi Bronze It, which I'm going to do a video on because I really want to test it out. I brought the perfect brush for it. So I want to test it out. Bronzer works on different races, different ethnicities. It works on... How do I say it? It works differently on our skin tones. For some people, they can contour with it depending on the shade. For others, it just shimmers. I'm deep skin or brown skin, dark brown. I'm not the darkest shade of brown, but I'm one of the darkest. So this will work as a shimmer. And I'll do a video on that later. So yeah, you can keep bronzer in your bag too. That's a big palette. If you don't want to keep such a big palette, you know, you can keep one, which is usually about this size in your bag. There's another bronzer. It's 2 different colors completely, but yeah. So that's basically it for the more extreme, more grand fabulous makeup bag. And it's good to keep those bags because you could just grab them and go. Say if you're going on an overnight or if you're going on a trip, if you're going out and you didn't get to do your makeup, at least you could take your makeup with you and you could like run to a bathroom real quick and do your makeup. Depending on how advanced you are, if you're really advanced with makeup, it takes you about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, depending on how advanced you are in doing makeup. And yeah, these are so pretty, right? Yeah, so that's basically it. Having 1 makeup bag and then you have that one. Alright, see you in the next video. Alright.